Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Are soft starts worth the money? So first, what is a soft start?
A soft start is a run capacitor and a potential start relay, either in two separate pieces or in a combined unit. Yes, the cheapest money you'll ever spend in the life of your air conditioner. Well, changing your filters. Beside that, the best money you'll ever spend on your air conditioner is getting a hard start or a soft start kit. It's best money you'll ever spend.
And when you say best money, what are they?
It eliminates it eliminates the strain and stress and the high amp draw when the unit starts up. It's like yanking the starter rope on your lawnmower.
But I mean, when you say investment, is this a $500 investment, $1,000 investment?
Usually between depending on the size of the air conditioner, between $250 and $400 in that round number bracket.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best